Hi, this is Stefan with Custom Wood Design. This is a 23 by 11 gym sign featuring the barbell carved into the wood, painted black. We have 3 lines of text. First line above the bell, second line, and then an additional line down here that can be customized. Customized whatever text you want, whatever font you want, and sign is 3/4 of an inch thick. Comes in special walnut. This is a light brown. This is pine wood, and we have several here. Several different designs. You can see what people choose to put on there. Dad's gym. Excuses don't burn calories. So again, people kind of use this as a quote, or Bob's gym, 5-star dad. We're just past Father's Day, so this is also a great Father's Day. Perfect gift for your home or garage gym. Link to this item in the video description below. Bye.